If you're watching this video, it's because you missed the last lesson from Lesson 7, Analyzing Data, Objective 7.7, 7.8, and 7.9. This video is about Objective 7.7, how to distinguish between a dependent and an independent variable. First of all, please take out your notebooks and go ahead and pause the video and copy the definition for independent variable and dependent variable. An independent variable in an experiment is the one that the experimenter plans to change. Experimenter is you. What are you changing in an experiment? The dependent variable in an experiment is the variable whose value depends on the independent variable, or we say what is measured during an experiment. Let's study an example. See here for an example. In this experiment, a student has 3 plants, plant A, plant B, and plant C. And this student is wondering if he gives the plant Pepsi, or juice, or water. Which of these liquids will make the plant grow more? So plant A, he gives Pepsi, and he sees how much the flower grows. Plant B, he gives juice, and he sees how much the flower grows. Plant C, he gives water, and he sees how much the plant grows. Now, your job is to decide what is the independent and dependent variable in this experiment. The independent variable is the thing that you are changing in each experiment. What is he changing in each experiment? He's changing the type of liquid. One plant is getting Pepsi, one plant is getting juice, one plant is getting water. The dependent variable is what are you measuring? What is he measuring in this experiment? He's measuring how much the plant grows. So I will write the dependent variable is the height of the plant. Let's see a second example. In this experiment, a student has 3 plants. This is plant 1, this is plant 2, this is plant 3. Plant number 1, he puts it in white light, and he wants to see how much the plant grows. Plant number 2, he puts it in red light, and he wants to see how much the plant grows. And plant number 3, he puts it in blue light, and he wants to see how much the plant grows. Now, you need to find the independent and dependent variable. So ask yourself, the student, what is he changing in every experiment? He's changing the color of the light. So the color of the light is the independent variable. What is he measuring? What he's measuring is the dependent variable. He wants to see how much the plants grow. So that is the growth of the plant. Pause the video and try to see if you can solve these examples. Read each example and try to find the independent and dependent variable. All right, have you finished? The independent variable is the variable that you are changing. We'll highlight that in yellow. The dependent variable is the thing that you are measuring. Let's highlight that in green. The first one, a student thinks that if people are exposed to ultraviolet light for a long time, then they are more likely to get skin cancer. So what is the independent variable? Exposure to ultraviolet light. What is the dependent variable? The thing you are measuring. How likely you are to get skin cancer. Second question. A student believes that the temperature lowering during the fall months is what causes the colors of the leaves to change. So the student changes the temperature. That's the independent variable. And what does he want to see? He wants to see the colors of the leaves. That's the dependent variable. C. A student thinks that if plants are exposed to different colors of light, then they will grow better. What's the independent variable? The different colors of light. And what are we measuring? How they will grow. I hope this video helped you to be able to identify the independent, the thing the experimenter is changing, and the dependent, the thing that is being measured in an experiment.